In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your Jotform submissions to an Excel file. First, log into your Jotform account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all of your forms listed. Hover your mouse over the form whose submissions you want to export, and you'll see the Submissions option appear below the form name. Click on it. You will now see a table displaying all of the submissions, where each row represents one submission and each column represents a different question or field. To download this table as an Excel file, go to the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on Download All, then choose Download as Excel. The file will then be downloaded to your device. Open the file to view all your data in Excel format. If you want to filter the results or only include certain fields in your export, you can do that too. Click on the Columns option and select or deselect the fields you wish to include or exclude. You can also use the Filter option at the upper left-hand side of your screen to select a specific time frame or other filter criteria. After applying your desired filters, return to Download All and again click on Download as Excel. A new Excel file will be generated with only the filtered data you selected. Once it's downloaded, open it to confirm that only your specified data is included, and that's how you can easily export your Jotform submissions to Excel.